Okay. Welcome to my morning walk again, where I am talking to myself and including you in on the conversation. I've been MIA for the past week and a half. I'm always MIA. Because it's like, when I do something, especially speaking out, it's like I get anxiety first. And then I have to go into my cave for like 2 weeks minimum or something. And actually it was 1 month minimum. And then I have to sort out that anxiety before I talk. Or no, after I talk. Nah, it's actually both. Before I speak out about anything, I have to sort out the anxiety before and then after. And with this whole system one man luck, you could Jane the rest of what I'm doing already. So season 2 Talk Stories podcast, I'm translating stuff for it from the book, from part 2. And from what I noticed and from what I've been told, because I don't pay attention to the negative comments, I say what I say and I just go. I'm not here to argue. I keep saying that. But from what I've been seeing, a lot of everything I'm doing so far has been pissing off the patriarchy, men. And apparently, excuse my language, because I said we don't follow the Manut and Joey anymore. We follow the Butch, right? Or whatever. And de lumaman. Yakoy. You know de lumaman kanan radagain, but I'm not even talking crap. I'm really just talking about the how the manit is, the real manit. So it's like a lot of men are mad at me or they coming at me, but it's like, bro, I don't care. You can be mad all you want. And this whole Michael, if I have to, I can get on Facebook Live so everybody can see it. Cause this argument over Michael Kabua, man, I'm over it. I'm over the fear of my aunties and uncles being mad at me. I don't care anymore. I had anxiety about that for like 2 weeks. And then after I sorted it out, I'm good. I have nothing to lose. I cut off with my entire family. Nobody can, I'm gonna keep going. And a lot of the information that I'm about to come out with goes into more detail about manit, real manit. And a lot of people keep saying, no, not a lot of people, but thank you for showing Gaiboge's whatever placement in the tree. Don't thank me. Keep in mind that every single thing you hide in the dark is going to come into the light. That's it. And at Lotarain, you've been Marshall Islands. It's what is it? A spiritual revolution. Because politics and religion, they go hand in hand when they came and took everything from us. So it's all of it is coming down. The me coming out with the Kaiboga information got everybody going into their family trees and their minimum, which some people are sending me theirs. And you know what's funny? I have 3 family trees. 3 minimum puch. Different branches of the family. They've been sending it to me, and I've been comparing everybody's family trees. Everybody has their own version of the family tree. The same family tree. Everybody has their own version. And We got to get to the bottom of this. So I'm probably gonna boo-boo on live so we could all figure it out. Who's really the oldest? Because the book I'm reading says Kaiboga is the oldest. But one family tree says he's the third. One family tree says he's the fourth. One family tree says he's the second. Nobody knows. So I'm probably going to get on, when I get comfortable with myself, and when I stop being kind of, I'm going to get on Facebook Live. And I'm going to boo-boo it my damn self so everybody can see. Because the stuff that I talk about, I never wanted to talk about it. I never did. Good morning. And so it is what it is. If I have to, no. Because it's really looking like I do have to. Eventually, one of these days, Janet, boo-boo lo live. Boo-boo keep my kawa lo live. Because I know for a fact right now there's people sending black magic to me. It's not hitting. It's just making me go harder. So, you know, it's like instead of me backing down, okay, cool, let's go harder. Let's boo-boo on live. Let's make it like that. Let's make it more fun. Not fun, but yeah. I'll say that. Yeah. It's more spiritual than titles and land rights and birth orders. So I'm here to stay, whores. Oh. I'm here to stay. Okay. I'm here. So catch me on the flip side. Cause I am gonna boo-boo on live. Cause this stuff, information. That's not my problem, bro. So let's settle it once and for all. Eventually I'm just gonna boo-boo on live. And yep. That's the announcement. And I'm still compiling shit. Good morning. There's a lot of stuff going on in my forefront life right now that I'm handling first. Because I got to get all my ducks in a row so that I can actually sit down and continue to do this. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, when you know how royal families, they keep the bloodline within the family, right? Because of the fact that Rabaga's lineage was treated like regular commoners, right? They ended up procreating with 1 million people. So there's literally, when I said I think Rabaga's lineage is starting to outnumber the regular people of Marshall Islands, man, I didn't understand how deep it was when I said that. That's real. Rabaga's lineage is really starting to outnumber all of Mado because there's a lot of them. That's it. That's all I want to say. Okay, bye.